Next.
When will it be our turn? What? We will never let to try it. How about we make it for everyone then? Today, I have strawberry purple grapes. I cut purple grapes into small pieces. Where is it? I also cut the strawberry into small pieces. I cook strawberries and purple grapes with sugar to make jam. I use butterfly pea flour to get blue color. Next, I pour the white buttercream into 3 bowls. Mix it all. Now, I'm going to shape the fondant. It's so much fun to work with fondant. It's like clay, but it's edible. I will dip the cone in white melted chocolate and then roll it in sprinkles. Well, I will pipe blue, pink, and purple ice cream on the top of the cone. And insert fondant into each ice cream cone. Wow, beautiful! It looks so fresh. Hey everyone! Can get some ice cream? Wow, a camera! I love it! Wonderful! What is this? Aha! I'm gonna join this contest. Today, I will be participating in the Minnie Mouse and Daisy Jelly contest.
A few minutes later.
I put hot milk on the sweet potatoes. Do the same with strawberries. I will melt the gelatin. Warm up for 15 minutes. I pour the melted gelatin here and stir well. Pour the jelly mixture into the mold and let them cool. Chill for 30 minutes. Mouse and Daisy are two cartoon characters I love very much. What about you? How wonderful is that? It's beautiful. Did someone drop this KitKat box? It's mine! Who's playing such an impolite game? Gotcha! I'm gonna use this KitKat box for baking. I grate the KitKat bar into crumbs and melted it. Melt in 10 minutes. This is a cute egg. Divide this egg into yolk and white. Add sugar. Whip the egg whites. Use flour for baking. I pour melted KitKat here and mixing. Bake for 30 minutes. Next, shape the fondant. The cake consists of 3 layers. The outside is covered with a layer of brown buttercream. Attach colorful fondant balls around the cake. So yummy! I really like this cake.